Jared, a little bit different look with this pitching staff this year. You're a sophomore, but you're one of the grizzled old veteran type guys on this team. What is your role this year with this team, and how good do you think this pitching staff can be?
I think the pitching staff can be better. Just as good, if not better, than last year. I know we had that set the record for the shutouts and everything, but we got a lot of talent coming in, and the guys from last year. But if we just go out there and stick to playing that AD set, and just the mentality and everything, to go out there and throw strikes. Just compete with hitters. I think we'll be all right.
What do you have to do to take that step up that you saw Aaron Nola do from freshman to sophomore and guys before him?
I think just like I said, just stick to the plan. Just keep working, keep trying to get better and better. Just throwing a lot of strikes and just competing. I think competition is the best thing for anyone. We have a lot of competition in this team, so.
Are you eager to bring out the best in these 6 new freshman guys as much as you expect them to bring out the best in you?
Yeah, definitely. Those guys, came in #1 recruiting class in the nation. So they're all high right now. Once we get on the mound and see what they're made of, and just gonna go out there and compete.